Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th, 10th chapter, Banks and Simple Interest, Part 3. Now, further we will see the formulas. Now, the first formula for finding the principal is equal to amount minus interest. How you will find out your principal? You will subtract interest from your amount. So what you will get? You will get your principal. Clear, everyone? Now next formula is for finding the interest. So what is the formula? Interest is equal to amount minus principal. So when you will subtract your principal from amount, you will get your interest. Clear? And the third formula is for finding the amount. How you will find out your amount? The formula is amount is equal to principal plus interest. Clear? If you will add your principal with your interest, you will get your amount. Understood, everyone? Now next formula is for finding the simple interest. Now for finding the simple interest, your formula is PRT upon 100. Now here P stands for principal, R stands for rate and T stands for time. Clear? So whenever it is asked to find out the simple interest, which formula you will use? You will use the formula that is PRT upon 100. It means P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. Clear? Now let's see practice set 40. Student question number 1. At a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period? Now students, see what you have to do in this question. Now first of all, what is given in your question? In your question, the time is given. Clear? 4 year is your time. 5,000 rupees is your principal. On this 5,000 rupees, what interest you will get? You will get the interest of 1,200 rupees. Clear? Then what we have to find out in this question? In this question, the rate of interest is not given. So that we have to find out. See, the rate of interest we have to find out. Clear? And the other thing we have to find out is, we have to find out the interest on this 15,000 rupees. Clear? For the same rate and for the same period. Clear, everyone? We have to take, first we will find out the rate of interest. So whatever rate of interest we will get, that rate of interest we will take, and this time we will take for finding the interest on this 15,000 rupees. Clear? So see how you will do. First of all, whatever is given in your question, that we will write down first. Clear? Now the principal. First we will write down the principal. What is the principal given over here? That is 5,000 rupees. Clear, everyone? Now after the principal, what you will write down? You will write down the rate. Now rate is not given, so question mark. Then the time. Time is given, that is 4 years. So here you will write down 4 years. Clear? And here the interest is given. So what is the interest given over here? That is 1,200. So here we will write down rupees 1,200. Understood? Now we will use the formula of the simple interest and we will find out the rate of interest. That is simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Now our simple interest is given, that is 1,200. So write down. Clear? The principal is given, that is 5,000. So write down here the 5,000. Multiply by the rate is given. No, the rate is not given. So we will write down R as it is. And then further T stands for time. So time is given, that is 4. So divided by 100. Clear? Now how you will do the calculation over here? Now what you will do is 2 zeros from the 100 and 2 zeros from the 5,000 will get cancelled. So what will remain here? 1,200 is equal to 50 into R into 4. Clear? Now what you will do? First we will multiply this 50 into R into 4. So 1,200 will come as it is. Clear? Now 50 multiplied by 4, you will get 200 multiplied by R will come as it is. Now what you will do? Now you will take this 200 on the right hand side. Clear? So 1200. Now when you will take 200 on the right hand side, multiplication will become division. Understood everyone? Now how you will do the calculation? 2 zeros from 200, 2 zeros from 1200 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 six are 12. 6 divided by 1, what you will get? Your rate of interest. Rate of interest will be 6% per annum. Clear everyone? PC means percent, P means per, and A means annum. Understood everyone? So we had find out the rate of interest. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the interest on this 15,000 rupees. So let's find out. So again we will write down first the principal. Now principal is given rupees 15,000. Clear? Now what is the rate? We have to we had find out the rate, that is 6% per annum. So here we will take the rate 6% per annum. Clear? Now time, we have to take same time, that is 4 years. And interest we have to find out. So question mark. So use the formula of the simple interest, P into R into T upon 100. Clear? So P stands for principal. So 15,000 multiplied by rate is 6 multiplied by time is 4 upon 100. Clear? So how you will do the calculation? 2 zeros from the 100 and 2 zeros from the 15,000 will get cancelled. So what will remain here? 150 into 6 into 4. So we have to multiply. 150 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4. What you will get over here? You will get, that is rupees 3,600 as the interest on 15,000 rupees. Clear? So here we will write down the interest on rupees 15,000 will be rupees 3,600. Clear? Understood student? How you will find out the rate of interest and the simple interest here? See student, question number 4. Jethalal took a housing loan of 2,50,000 rupees from a bank at 10% per annum for 5 years. Clear? What is the yearly interest he must pay and the total amount he returns to the bank? Now what we have to find out in this question student? We have to find out the yearly interest. Clear? Jethalal took a loan of 2,50,000 from a bank. At what rate? 10% per annum. For how many years? For 5 years. Clear? But we have to find out what yearly interest he must pay to the bank. Clear? Everyone, yearly means we have to find out the 1 year interest. In 1 year, how much interest he has to pay to the bank. And then we have to find out the total amount. Clear? Total amount means what he will pay after 5 years. He will pay 2,50,000 rupees as well as what interest he will pay for 5 years, that we have to find out. Clear? So see how you will going to find out. So first of all we will write down what is given in the question. In your question the principal is given, that is rupees 2,50,000. Understood? Now the rate is given, that is 10% per annum, this one. Clear? And the time students, we have to find out the yearly interest. In 1 year how much interest he will pay to the bank. So here we will take 1 year. Understood everyone? And then what we have to find out in this question? Interest. Clear? So question mark. So use the formula of the simple interest, that is simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Clear? Now our principal is 2,50,000. Rate is 10 and the time is 1 upon 100. So how you will do the calculation? 2 zeros from 100, 2 zeros from 2,50,000 will get cancelled. So what will remain? 2,500 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1. So what you will get? The yearly interest over here. You will get the yearly interest of rupees 25,000. Clear? This is the yearly interest. Clear? For 1 year, Jetalal has to pay rupees 25,000. Clear, everyone? Now we have to find out the interest for 5 years. For 5 years, how much interest he will pay. Clear? So how you will going to find out that? So here we will write down interest of 5 years. So for 1 year, how much he is paying? He is paying 25,000. Clear? So 25,000 multiply by, for how many years he has took that loan? For 5 years. So what you will get over here? You will get that is rupees 1,25,000. Clear? For 5 years he has to pay the interest of 1,25,000. Clear? Now we have to find out the total amount. So what will be the total amount over here? So what is the formula for finding the amount? Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Clear? So here your principal, what is the principal given in your question? That is 2,50,000. So here we will write down 2,50,000. Clear? And what is the interest of 5 years? The 5-year interest is 1,25,000. Clear, everyone? So what is the total amount he has to pay to the bank? That is rupees 3,75,000. Clear? So after 5 years he have to pay his principal as well as the interest. So total amount he has to pay to the bank is 3,75,000. Clear, everyone? Clear? So here we will write down, therefore he must pay rupees 25,000 as yearly interest, and the total amount he returns is rupees 3,75,000. Clear? Understood, student? Everyone, how you will do this? Thank you.